Okay, even though I'm getting pretty far on the dashboard and I got other stuff going to be in today, speedometer's supposed to be here later on today. Unfortunately, it's a sunny day. I think it's going to be like, it's going to be all the way up to like 45 today. Well, I got stuff outside to do. Unfortunately, once in a while, you got to be a grown-up. Can't play with my toys. Look at there, sun's shining. Well, go out and see how it looks. Oh, just push me all the way, Hazel. It's okay. Yeah. Ooh, frosty. Yep, winter's coming. You gotta change the tire on that Ford. Awesome. Why didn't I do this when the sun was shining? There was 70. Oh look, I was laying in moose poop. Awesome. Should I check the brakes? Maybe on the return trip. Yeah. I know you watch some of these YouTube channels. Guys got their own fancy tire machines. Isn't fancy? Top of the line in 1920. When you got as many rigs and tires as I got, used tires are your friends. Clean up around that rim, pretty rusty. It's a plow rig, never leaves the hill. I don't need to balance anything. Nope. So I've got the gauge mounted in there, and behind that ring. I couldn't put the glass in there because this one is domed. What's that? Convexed. So that's what we ended up with. Now these 3 holes, that's going to be high beam and I'm holding right, yeah. High beam, right turn, left turn. So I'm trying to get the holes the right size now so these little LEDs can fit in there. That way I don't have to put any holes in the dashboard, and if they go out, I can get to them and change them easy. So I guess it's a plus. It all works out. I got to find the right size drill bit though. So it turns out the right drill bit is 11/64. Green, green. Where's the blue one? There's the blue one. Oh, come on now. Okay, blue for high beam. In the center. Look at that. Right there. Itty bitty. I like it. Now I think I'll run a piece of shrink tubing over top of this just to protect the... That fits in there good. Haha. Playing with these things this has taken forever. Taking a lot of time, but I know you can buy those dolphin gauges. You can get a set of dolphin gauges for this for, I think, like 350 bucks. I paid, what did I pay? I think I got this speedometer for 60 bucks on eBay. And you see it's new, old stock. Got 0 miles on it. Stuart Warner, like I wanted. I think it looked fine. It's gonna look good. All right. They got this kit of shrink tubing from Harbor Freight. Actually, it's a pretty good deal. And just put it over top here to protect these wires. Like that. I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on here. I'm not even going to shrink them up. Hazel, what are you pasting for? I'm just going to put a little piece of electrical tape on these. So if I want to pull these things out, I can. Okay, and with much anticipation, I finally got my gauges done. I think they came out good. I think that's pretty clean. I'm happy with it. Of course, I still got to wire them up and all that other good stuff. I think that's a good looking gauge. Not bad. I still got to clean up the edges around there. There's some goop sticking out there. But for what I want out of it, I think they're perfect. Well, I'm going to call this a video. I appreciate everybody watching. My channel's coming on strong. It's really growing. I really appreciate it. All the comments and such. It's awesome. Take care, everybody. Hazel, is it dinner time? You want to eat? Oh, yeah, that's a big yes. Okay, let's go. All right. All right, here we go. We're going.